What's up guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily duplicate a task in TickTick. So you want to open up your list guys and choose any task that you want to duplicate. So let's say I want to duplicate this one right here. I can click the three dots here and you will find duplicate within the list. Click on duplicate and the task is duplicate, right? Now that's pretty much it. And if you want to edit this task right after, you can click on it and change the name of the task itself like that. And if it has subtasks under it, you can always change those, move those around, and etc, right? Whatever it is that you want to do with the task, you can do it. Now also you have the three dots on the right hand side as well for that duplicated task, and you can basically change it. And so this is how you have them. If you realize the name is different, you can always change it to something else. As you can see, whatever it is, you have them here. You can work with it just the same. And that's it. Very easy and very simple, guys.